In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Aliexpress to find and purchase a product with ease. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the world of e-commerce, this guide will help you take advantage of discounts by using promo codes effectively. Let's dive right in. Your journey begins by visiting the Aliexpress website. Familiarize yourself with the homepage, which features an array of categories ranging from electronics to clothing. Take your time to explore and discern which category interests you most. The search bar at the top is a helpful tool you can utilize to find specific items quickly. As you start entering your desired product, autocomplete suggestions might just lead you to a hidden gem. Once you've decided on a category or specific search term, you'll be presented with various products. This is where the fun really begins. Browse through the offerings, taking note of key descriptions, ratings, and reviews. These are crucial details to ensure you're making a wise purchasing decision. Pay attention to the images and compare prices and shipping options. Some products may offer free shipping, while others might include additional costs you should be aware of before committing to a purchase. After reviewing your options, select the product that best suits your needs. Here, you can often choose between different variations such as size, color, or bundle options, so make sure you pick exactly what you want. Once you've made your selection, add the product to your cart and head over to the checkout page. This is an important stage where you'll finalize your purchase details, so take a moment to confirm that all the information is correct. Now let's talk about saving money. On the checkout page, you will see a section labeled Summary. Here you'll find an opportunity to apply promo codes for additional savings. These codes are often available through online promotions and can provide significant discounts. Click on the Promo Codes link and enter your code into the designated field. After inputting your code, ensure to confirm it has applied successfully by checking that your total amount reflects the discount. And there you have it, your shopping experience on Aliexpress is complete. By following these simple steps, you not only find and purchase a product, but also gain a sense of accomplishment in saving money with a promo code. Shopping online does not have to be overwhelming. Instead, it can be an enjoyable experience with practical financial rewards if you know how to navigate the site effectively. Remember, the key is to research your products, use promo codes, and always double-check your purchase details before confirming. Happy shopping, and stay tuned for more helpful guides in future videos.